Yo, do not OC it, do not OC it, do not OC it. Yo, my clap, fast, my clap fast.
Touch ito, bump to.
My clap, look at east side, my clap, look at east side, my clap, look at northeast deep, my clap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this. Come back first. Yeah, demon, there's a fucking come back first, wait, come back first. Chill, come back first. Yeah, defend shallow.
Sobrang nipis nito ah.
Yeah, I know, wait. CDG is going around ingat.
Ay, may nag-hindi.
Yo, demon inside, spread. Guardian armor, okay?
CDGS ano yung tawag doon? Yung nag-bridal.
Miss. Wait, spread first. Come west. Maipit tayo dyan sa gitna eh.
Charging.
Eh, charging ano?
Yung man nakita lang ako ng night helmet sa taas. Wala.
Looking sa atin southeast.
Yo, ready. Yo, brawlers stay mounted. Brawlers and healers, brawlers stay mounted. Yo, they're looking. Ready defenses. They're gonna engage over the wall. Yo, get ready. Yo, my brawlers trickle in one by one. Ready, defense shallow. Everyone walk in. Walk in. Guard. Walk in, okay? Guard. Cleanses, okay? Just go. Yo, look at me on the clear count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside.
Laki niyan.
The ball inside. Keep pushing. Yo, watch CDG. Yo, keep pushing. Don't hold them. Hold them. Run over. Don't let the guy away. They're gonna turn soon. Defend shallow. Everyone pushing now. Pushing now. We're gonna engage outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate.
Shit,
Then push out first. Okay, push out first. Kill everyone here. Okay. Yo, careful sa Shaper. Demon. Oh, nice. Come on. Yo, don't dot. Everyone come southwest. Everyone come southwest. Yo, loot up. Come to me. Southwest. Come southwest. Yo, can we smash this? Yo, everyone step up north. Yo, can somebody watch my southwest? Para di tayo maganon ulit. Yo, start smashing the walls here, Marlica. Spread. Yeah, it's kinda lag. I don't know why it's lag, but it's lag. Careful, defend shallow. Demon. Oh my god, hello. Why you guys sleeping? Mix, hello.
Hindi open yung southwest.
Yo, come south.
May wanted dito
No, kasi, yo, listen, just like, not everyone hammer it. Just like 5 people, okay? Just 5 people. Kasi, that damage escalation is killing everyone. Just rotate the guard dun, okay? Just rotate the guard dun. Yo, ready? Defend shallow. Yo, we're gonna engage inside, wait. Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill inside. Alright, good. Then heal up south side.
Side, okay, si John Darrell.
Southwest. Yeah, come southwest. Wait, fucking... Dude, I'm fucking lagging, man. Fuck. Yo, come back. My tanks, why are you dying again? Yo, demon inside. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Barawal. Come back first. Yeah, come back first.
They have 2 engages, guys. Careful.
I'm lagging, man. Come
Southwest
west
po.
side.
Dito. Open it.
Yeah, I know.
You got a bit.
Pero kasi, ang problema kasi, isang space lang yan eh. Medyo mahirap.
Pag napukpok natin yung walls dito sa southwest.
We got their behemoth. Kishi looted their behemoth.
What do you mean? Kishi looted my behemoth?
Their behemoth.
Okay. Oh, wait. Just kinda delayed. Okay. Yo, ready defenses, ready looking
No, it's a fake. I bit.
Yo, listen.
Engaging up.
Ready, defend shallow. Everyone step in a bit. Left tank, hold him. Southeast shallow. Get ready. 5, after J, 4, 3, 2, 1, full engage now. Inside. Kill inside. They're color dead. It's fine, okay? Yo, come back west. There's a mage, come back west. Yo, help front, full defend. Help front, full defend.
Guard.
Heal front, okay? Now hold southwest side, Marlica. Hold southwest side. Yo, don't stay there. My screen's lagging so medyo delete yung reaction ko.
Tanggalin mo, baka naka-live pa ako.
Hindi yung game talaga. Bilis internet ko. Yo, Marlica, get ready. East side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Tanginang lag to.
They engaged on me.
Kama. Yo, may behe, may...
May naging bid. Yung
Yo, demon, heal front. Heal on everyone. Yo, can I have tanks?
Shipper.
Demon. Okay, good.
Should I swap to a behemoth? They don't have a...
Yeah, can you? Yo, careful. You're too clumped up in the front. Just spread southwest. Kill the guards inside, Marlica. Don't be clumped up in the front. I'm fucking annoyingly lag. Yo, where's my ban? Okay, there. Okay, game. Yo, get ready, Marlica. Northeast, straight northeast, get ready. Wait. They're looking, Yo, Jay, watch me east side. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast, shallow. Come. Ready, demon the chaper. Okay. Come back southwest.
May nag-bridle ba ma? Nag-in.
Demon.
Hindi pa tayo nag-OC by the way.
Yeah, it's fine.
Pa-watch ng east side, southeast na lang, isang death.
Everyone,
Andun yung bridle.
Wait lang, Pogi, di ako makagalaw. Ang lag.
it's fine. Yo, careful over the wall, Tams. Careful over the wall. How will we kill the mage ng ano? Yo, come southeast. Come southeast. The space is too small there. Yo, I need people hammering the gate. Everyone spreads outside. Yo, demon the chaper. Everyone spreads outside.
Hindi na demon ko ha.
Dude, wala ka tayong hammers eh. Meron tayong hammers pero hindi natin yung hammers to. Can you guys hammer? Yo, everyone northeast on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the gate. Kill this. Come back. Yo, start smashing. Bomb.
Iba naman yung bomb niya ngayon. Tank bomb.
Yo, spread south, guys. Don't stay north.
Bridle bomb, northeast.
Don't stay north. Heal me. Yo, don't stay north. Don't stay northwest.
Shipper.
Yo. Wait. Fucking lagging. Oh, no. Yo, start smashing. Just smash. We have time. No, get ready. Wait, caller looking. North on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate only. Kill this shallow. Heal up on everyone. Come back south. Yeah, just smash the gates. Okay. Caller looking. Careful, okay. After this smash the gate. Careful. They're looking northeast. Defend now. Heal up.
Shipper.
Yo, everyone come east. Wait. Come southwest. Come back.
Gawin na.
Over the wall.
Ayun na, A-shaper.
Yeah, demon. Just smash the wall. Northeast over the wall. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast over the wall. Come back. Let's smash this gate. Defend now. Full defenses in heals. Heal me. Fucking lag. Come back south. Oh yeah. Smash the gate. Yeah, everyone chill muna tayo. Yeah, listen. I'm lagging, so everyone just chill southwest side, okay? Yeah, just smash that gate.
Kalitawag lang.
Stacking ulit, A-shaper ha. Ayun na.
Going shipper.
Careful. Yo, just support my tanks. Your tanks trigger with hammers, okay? Just smash the gate. Okay, ba't nyo sinala yung gate? Pabukas. The fuck? Careful.
Sinasara nila.
They still have a gate. Oh, no. Wait. Yo, smash the gate, Marlica, smash the gate. Smash the gate, smash the gate. Yo, guardians in front. Defense shallow. Everyone northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. On me. Ayun na, come back. Demon. Come back. Heal card.
Patay na.
Sa shooter bro.
Kapit chaos, bro. He's the only one here.
Yo, they coming deep. Yo, walk in, hold him. Hold him. North side, okay? On the choke. Hold the choke. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill everything inside. Then come back. Yo, Shaper's gonna come soon, Careful. Shaper's gonna come soon. Careful. Get out of northeast side.
Northwest Shaper.
Okay. Yo, if you're low, just if you're low, come back south. After smashing the yeah. Yo, kailangan nyo ako lalayan kasi 1 to 2 seconds yung freeze ng screen ko. Hindi ko nakikita pa na engage ako. Defense shallow, I think. Okay, do. Yo, smash the gate. Yo, get ready, look at northeast on the choke. 5 on the collar. 4, 3, 2, 1 on the collar. Come back. He did again. Yo, smash.
Stacking northeast.
Yeah. Stacking northeast.
Going.
Yo, ready to demon that Shaper.
Ayun, Shaper.
Demon.
Uy, huwag mo sa...
Engaging na tayo, engaging.
Do. Yo, smash how many percent the gate? Is the gate? Hello?
46. Silas.
We're inside, Mogi.
See the
They're
tanks.
just chilling in the main.
Yeah, let them. We need space first. And, I'm fucking, lagging. Defense shallow. Yun, may tanks. Yeah, everyone listen, just spread south side. Spread south and southwest. Okay, don't be northwest, don't be northeast. Okay, then smash this two walls here. Smash these 2 walls,
Shaper northwest, okay?
Yeah, smash these 2 walls, Yeah, everyone comes southeast.
Super stacking northwest.
Ipo, nandiyan ka po. Naglalag ka ba?
Hindi.
Ikaw muna mag. Bigata,
So we have a
Sama.
we have a jug.
So, bigyan ka lang smart na...
Yo, I mark shield first, Ipo. I'll just reset.
Suicide.
Follow Kipo's color first. Healer pa, lalayan na lang ako. Magre-reset ako.
Naka-mark
Just try to bump it. Bump front. Bump. Nagpa-aus ka na ba?
Yeah.
Everyone, go aus.
Shaper stacking
Mga
northwest.
pamphlet naka-mark ha.
Yeah, Shaper stacking northwest.
Hill front. Stay southwest. You're not a tank, stay southwest. You're not a tank, stay southwest. Okay, everyone kill. Then hill front. Keep blocking. Once the walls, siguro pag tapos ng walls, buhay na si everyone kill. Okay?
Balik na yung
Ready, shallow, guys. Shallow on the collar. In 3, 2, 1. Everything on collar. Kill. Buo talaga yun.
So, ipakita na again.
They have no demon.
Hold. They have no color, just keep bonking. Guys, stay defensive sa... Be careful. If you don't have any gig pads or cleric, go stay.
Shaper northeast.
Yeah, defensive style. Get kills, nice. Yeah. Chill. Everyone go southwest. Sabihin yung Shaper pag nandito na yung Shaper.
Going.
Okay, Shaper. Ready, guys. Look. Northwest.
Shaper looking ha.
Nag-engage siya.
Yeah, Shaper na.
Yeah, Shaper. Ready, northeast, guys. Northeast. Yeah, northeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, come. Then go back. Defensive. Nice defense. Go back. No one's lying. One more wall. Then go back. One more wall. Wait for one more wall. Chill. One more lot. One last wall. One last lot. Okay. Good. Kill the mobs on top of you. Can you guys keep my HP up? Go back kami 4. Guys, can you guys keep my HP full? Okay, defensive stress. No. Defensive. Ready, northwest, boys. Northwest now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive na gate. Go back. Nice kills. Go back. Go southwest. We are getting hit by the enemy. Everyone chill. check the shaper, check shaper,
Yo,
check shaper.
Host party.
Everyone heal. No one's dying, no one's dead. No one's
Yo,
dead.
host party.
Yeah, heal front. Good ka lang.
Yeah, host party 1, host party 1.
Invite
Saga, invite mo ako, Saga. Ikaw ka lang mag-invite sa akin. Saga, invite mo. Yo, just smash that gate there. Saga, invite
Okay
me.
na. Everything's fine.
Everyone, get ready. Mark me with the crowd. Go.
Saka mo.
Yo, listen, come northeast. Take space northeast. Everyone, come northeast. Yo, Death Tank step up. Take space northeast, okay?
Ano mga ano?
Yo, take space southeast. Ready, headbutt. Wait. West side, everyone here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, send it. Come back. Yo, that's main side already, just come back. Not rolling it. Don't roll it. Don't roll deep yet. Heal my brawlers. Yo, listen. Spread north side here. Or east side. Spread east side here. Yo, clear the mob. Spread east side. Take space. Push your banner. Okay, take space
Tapos
east
pwede
side.
niyo pupukin yung walls. Tapos,
Yeah, smash the walls there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Kill mob.
Kill the mobs.
Swiss.
Kill the mobs. Yo, brawlers, get ready, Wait. Yo, ready. Wait, on the J, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the J.
Super
Okay,
ka
come back.
naman.
Ready, team na. Spread southeast now.
Sa akin pa lang, sa akin super.
Yo, brawlers, you can wrap north side. Yo, brawlers, walang mage sa north side. There's no mage on the north side. You guys all around there.
Pwede ito northwest. Guys,
Yeah, wait. Yo, my whole DPS wrap north. Everyone wrap north. Death Tank sold the west side. Everyone potion, deep west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it here. End them here. Come back east side. Come back northeast side. Yo, there's still mage there. Come back northeast side. Yo, full heals on the front. Nobody dies. Okay?
BS on west.
Yo, careful BS on west,
Gen Daryl mounted up.
Oh, everyone get ready, okay? Wait. Next engage, get ready. Death Tank, get ready to hold the west side. Go deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Everything on me. Like, heal me also. Then come back. Heal ko po. Two units in front. Come east.
Setting ako.
Yo, listen, now we focus on mage, Brawlers,
Yeah,
Brawlers, you guys can kill the people in front. Yo, Marlica, get ready. Heal front. Guardian armor dano. Yo, heal side, Pax. West side on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on the mage.
Kuha talaga ito. Brawlers, yung mga
Yo, listen, Guardian armor. The mage is painful. Heal up. Come back easy if you're low.
Bam, Bridal!
Demon. Oh, she fucking missed. Nice armor. Yo, everything on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the mage. Yo, mini!
They're running away.
Yo, everyone send it to the mage.
Yazu.
Chill mage. Yo, help Yazu, baka mapugutan si Yazu,
Guys, pwede kayo mag-demon.
Full engage on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the mage. Okay, nice. Yo, reawaken and loot up. Yo, listen, pengen pa din po ako ng 10M sandali. Kung sino man, yo, Chrono. Pwede po sa mga. Meron ko na lang.
Sagot 10M to.
High card.
Yo, revive high card.
Wait me the loot, boy.
Yo, am I channeling? Oh, I'm
Mga DPS, baka gusto niyong patayin tong ano. Kaya na yung
Yo, kill the guard.
Bapo.
Chrono pa, tepo 10M sandali.
Proud.
Hindi pa na ako dun.
gago ang robot niya to.
Give me the loot, boy. Give me the loot.
Listen. We go back to hideout. We drop loots. Then we, we bank loots. Bring extra food. I think we can reach the castle. Bring extra food. Okay. Come back southeast. What's that? Yo, nobody can step me, Nobody can step me. Tangina, exit lag lang pala kailangan.
Kasi di mo inoon.
Okay, usually 12 UTC lang kailangan eh. Pero ngayon, hindi ko lang bakit ganitong early timer, hindi na exit lang. Yo, I hold southeast, everyone wait for everybody else. Yo, listen, drop all loots first drop all loots first in... Akin yan. Loot split... 2.
Two split two.
Yeah, split 2. Hindi, part ng loot yan. Doon sa tis. Yakin na.
Ay, gago, dalawa na sa pack ko ng Earth Throne.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
last engage,
Ano
I,
gagawin
I feel yan for you.
Drop niya sa Terry, Yo, listen, we drop, the energies, drop it in the Terry. Everybody else, we drop loot split 2, then we go castle. I think we can reach pa naman for extra power. Yo, listen, this is still regearable, so everybody drop the loots in loot split 2. Okay, I already messaged some people who didn't drop fucking loots. I'm only gonna give one warning.
Drop
Just
those
go double
boys.
ocean, boys.
Drop
Just go double ocean. You don't need to rehost.
We can see who you are.
Don't palit daw.
You're gonna through side.
Kupal. Yeah, outside. Just hold. Loot split 2, all loot split 2.
Blue split two.
Yung Makon, ano mo na lang, screenshot mo na lang Makon. Post mo na lang sa DVD treatments.
Win, naubos yung at
This house spinner is high cards.